This is Water Heater 101. We're ready, Kev. Anytime.
Dude, I ain't put the other one of my signature on this motherfucker.
We'll edit that Kev out.
To the right.
Let's invite Arn down here.
Looks good, Kev. Come on.
Looking good. Oh, fuck.
Doing good.
Oh, my God. It's going to hit the beam.
Nope. It's going to go perfect. This is going to go flawless.
Okay, there's nothing in the way.
Nope. You're good.
It's going to go airborne.
Nope.
Ready?
Yep. Push it hard.
Okay.
Whee!
So I let it tip or push it straight
Just
up?
hammer it.
Nice!
Oh, that was beautiful.